Hello guys, this video will be on the coding and decoding chapter from the reasoning, and this is a preparation video for those appearing for the prelims examination of IBPS CLERK, which is pipeline to be held next month. So if you are watching this video is the part 1, and I will continue this series. And this video is from the coding and decoding, which will be asked for 3 to 5 marks in the IBPS clerk examination. So this is a very important chapter as far as the clerk examination is concerned. So you need to remember a few things, few approaches before attempting this question. So the first approach that I would like to suggest you is that as soon as you see this table, this type of table in your examination, go to the conditions. Straight away go to the condition. Don't read the instructions and directly go to the conditions. So we'll read the conditions one by one. The first condition is if both the second and the fifth elements are vowel, then the codes for both these are to be interchanged. So just keep this in mind. You need not remember. It is not required for you to remember this exact thing. And the second condition is if the third element is vowel and fourth element is consonant, then the fourth element is to be coded as the code of the first element. And the third is if the group of the letters contain no vowel, the code for the first and the last element are to be interchanged. If the group of the letter does not contains no vowel, the code for the first and the last are to be interchanged. So after reading this conditions, you can attempt the questions. So we'll go to the questions. So first question is, we have F, A, W, U, C and I. So you write this thing in your this question in your sheet, in your rough sheet. F, A, W, U, C, I. First you need to write this in your rough sheet and then label it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is for your convenience. And after that I copied this first page screenshot here. So you can in the examination there will be two windows like this. In the first sheet you will be having this conditions, in the second you will be having questions. So basically you will be having this thing in your screen. So read the condition. If both the second and the fifth element are vowel. Now check, the second element is vowel, that is correct, and the fifth element should also be vowel. So the fifth element is not vowel, it's consonant, so one is rejected. See the second, if the third element is a vowel, so third element is W, third element is not vowel, so condition 2 is also rejected. So we'll go with the third condition. If the group of letter contains no vowel, the group should not contain any vowel letter. So we have A and we have U and I. So basically we have 3 vowels in this question. So third condition is also rejected. Therefore none of the condition is valid for this question. So if no condition is valid for this question, you need to code the letter as it is. For F we have 6. A we have percent. W, for W we have 5. For U we have 7. For C we have 8, and for I we have 2. So this is your answer. 6%, 5, 7, 8, 2. So check this over here from the options. 6%, 5, 7, 8, 2. So first is our answer. Next question. U, E, C, T, A and E. Label this as with numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we'll read the condition first. If both the second and the fifth element are vowel, so second is vowel and fifth is also a vowel letter. So first condition is valid, and so if you find the first condition valid, the other two conditions will be invalid. So the codes for this are to be interchanged, so you need to interchange the code. You have to write the code of A over here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth in the second position, and you have to write the code of E in the fifth position. This is basically the interchange. So A, the code of A is %, and code of E is over here at the rate, and for others you need to write the same code, U7 3. C, for C you have 8, for T you have 9, and for P you have asterisk or star. So this is our answer, 7%, 8, 9 at the rate of star. So you have 7 here, but after the second element is at the rate, so this is not valid. 7%, 8, 9 at the rate and star. So C is our correct answer. Last question. T, F, A, Q, I and M. So label this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after you have labeled, you have to read the conditions. So first condition says if second and the fifth element are vowel, so second is not vowel, so this is rejected. If the third element is vowel and fourth is consonant, if third is vowel, we have third as vowel and fourth as consonant, so number 2 is our valid condition, so 3 automatically becomes invalid. The fourth element is to be coded as the first element, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Fourth element is to be coded as first element. You need to write the code of the first element in number 4. So first element is T. For T we have 9. So you need to write 9 here and 9 here as well. So I guess you have figured out the answer, because it's option A, because in the first position and in the fourth position we have 9, and in none other option we don't have this two features. We have 9 in fourth position, but we don't have 9 in first position. We have 9 in first position, but we have 2 in fourth position. In first position we have 9, but we have here star. So all these are incorrect, and this is our correct answer. I thank you for watching this video. So I'll be bringing more videos of this kind for you, which will be beneficial for your preparation. I'll be very happy to know if this video was of small help to you. Thank you.